Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to reduce the file size of a PDF file on your Mac. To compress the file size of your current PDF, we need to re-export it as a PDF, but with a reduced file size. So, let's get started. First, open your PDF file in the Preview application. Once you've done that, navigate to File in the top left corner of your screen. In the drop-down menu, select Export. Now, choose a location to save your new, smaller PDF file. I'm going to choose the desktop and rename it Example v2. Make sure the format is selected as PDF, which it should be by default. Then, underneath where it says Quartz Filters, click the drop-down menu and select the Reduce File Size option. Once you've done that, just click Save. After a couple of seconds, your new PDF will be successfully exported. Once it's finished, you can exit out of the Preview application. And there you have it. The new PDF has appeared. To double-check the file size of the new PDF, right-click it and select Get Info. As you can see, the new PDF is 937 kilobytes. Now, to double-check the file size of the original PDF, we'll do the same thing. Right-click Get Info, and as you can see, the original is 4.7 megabytes. Quite a big difference in file size. And if we use Preview to view both PDF files, you'll see there's visually no difference in quality between them. And that's it. You've successfully reduced the file size of your PDF. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Rome tips. Thanks for watching.